Hello students, let's start with a new subtopic, soil, lesson, land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife. What is soil? The thin layer of grainy substance covered the surface of the earth is called soil. Soil is made up of organic matter, minerals and weathered rocks found on earth. Soil is formed by the process of weathering. Soil is the most important renewable natural resource. Soil is the mixture of minerals, organic matter, gases, liquids that can support plant life. Soil means life. What is in soil? Mineral particles, organic matter, and air. What is soil made up of? Soil is made up of organic matter, minerals, and weathered rocks. Weathered rocks are a result of the breakdown and decay of rocks by changes in temperature, frost, and actions of living organisms. This process is very slow and it's called weathering. The process is so slow that it takes hundreds of years for just 1 centimeter of soil to form. When the soil is said to be fertile, when minerals and organic matter are present in the right proportion to soil is said to be fertile. Fertile soil is capable of giving life and supporting the growth of plants. What is soil profile? The soil is the topmost layer of the earth's crust, mainly composed of organic minerals and rock particles that support life. This is made up of layers, and the layers are known as soil horizons. The soil profile is composed of a series of horizons or layers of soil stacked one on top of the other. These layers are represented by the letters. What are the factors responsible for the formation of soil? Relief features, parent material, atmosphere, vegetation, and other types of life are the key factors responsible for soil formation. Parent material in the form of rock and sediment builds the initial substrate for soil formation. It defines a soil's chemical and mineralogical composition and influences soil texture and structure. Climate is a direct factor in soil formation. It determines how temperature and moisture vary and determines the intensity of the weathering processes. Indirectly, climatic factors also govern vegetation growth at the interface of soil, atmosphere, and biosphere. Relief and topography define the microclimatic condition under which soil formation takes place, as well as the proximity of soil to the groundwater table. Soils on steep, barren terrain are more prone to erosion than those on plains or on plant-covered surfaces. Organisms, including flora and fauna, are not independent factors in soil formation. Both continuously interact with climate relief and soil parent material over time. Vegetation delivers organic material for humus formation, and a forest regulates the climates of its surrounding. Time describes an ongoing factor of soil formation. The intensity and combination of different factors leading to soil formation change over time. Time, therefore, is not always an indicator of the exact age of a soil or the stage of soil's development. Soil erosion and depletion are the major threats to the soil as a resource. Both human and natural factors can lead to degradation of soil. Factors which lead to soil degradation are deforestation, overgrazing, Overuse of chemical fertilizers or pesticides, rainwash, landslides, and floods. Mulching. The background between plants is covered with a layer of organic matter like straw. It helps to retain soil moisture. Contour barriers. Stone grass soil are used to build barriers along contours. Trenches are made in front of the barriers to collect water. Rock dam. Rocks are piled up to slow down the flow of water. This prevents gully and further soil loss. This farming. Broad flat steps or terraces are made on the steep slopes so that flat surfaces are available to grow crops, thus reducing surface runoff and soil erosion. Intercropping. Different crops are grown in alternate rows and are sown at different times to protect the soil from rainwash. Plowing parallel to the contours of a hill slope to form a natural barrier for water to flow down the slope. Shelter belts. In the coastal and dry region, rows of trees are planted to check the wind movement to protect soil cover. I hope children you all understood. Thank you.